Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. I think we finished 10 problems in this method, right? Variation of parameters. This was the last problem. Next one. Solve solve y double dash minus 2y dash plus y is equal to e power x into log x by the method of variation of parameters. Solve the given differential equation. It is an ordinary differential equation with constant coefficients. Solve this equation by the method of variation of parameters. First, we shall write the complementary function or complementary solution. This is double derivative y double dash. It is denoted by d square minus 2 into y dash, and y dash is capital letter D, plus y, 1 into y, is equal to e power x into log x. This is the given differential equation. And its auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. This can be written as m minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. M minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 1. M minus 1 is equal to 0 means m is equal to 1, and it is repeated 2 times. Therefore, one more root. M is equal to 1 comma 1. These roots are real and coincident roots. So therefore, rule number 2 is applicable. Rule number 2 is c1 plus c2x into e power mx. Here m is 1. Therefore, 1 into x. c1 plus c2x into e power x. This is first working rule. Next is second working rule. Second working rule, making the assumption. Assume that this can be written as c1 into e power x plus c2x into e power x. This complementary solution. c1 into e power x plus c2x into e power x. Now assume that you replace c1 by capital letter A and c2 by capital letter B. Y is equal to a into e power x plus bx into e power x to be the complete solution. This is second working rule, making the assumption. Let y is equal to a into e power x plus bx into e power x to be the complete solution. Now we have to find Wronskian W, which is given by y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. First we mark what is y1 and what is y2. What is y1 here? Coefficient of x is y. A is y1. This is y1, e power x. And this product, x into e power x, is y2. Derivative of y1 is denoted by y1 dash, and this is equal to derivative of e power x is e power x. Derivative of y2 is y2 dash, and derivative of x into e power x. Use product rule. X is first function, keep it as it is. Derivative of e power x is e power x. Plus second function e power x into derivative of x is 1. Therefore, we get x into e power x plus e power x as y2 dash. Now, Wronskian W is equal to y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. y1 into y2 dash. E power x into x e power x is x e power 2x. E power x into e power x is e power 2x with this x. Plus e power x into e power x is e power 2x. Minus this negative sign, minus x e power x into e power x is x e power 2x. Cancel this positive term with this negative term, you get e power 2x. This is Wronskian. You make a note of this. Further, we have to find A and B, capital letter A and capital letter B. A. A is given by integral minus y2 into phi of x divided by w. Minus into, you keep this negative sign as this, minus into y2. y2 is x into e power x into phi of x. We'll go to the previous slide. Phi of x is e power x into log x. y1 is e power x. y2 is x into e power x. Substitute. Minus y2 is x into e power x and phi of x is e power x into log x divided by w, and w is e power 2x. Here the product e power x into e power x is e power 2x, cancel with this e power 2x. What we get here is integral minus x into log x dx. How do you integrate this? How do you approach this integral? How do you integrate this? You write it as minus log x into x. How do you integrate this? What is the approach?
By parts.
By parts. This minus log x is first function and x is second function. First function into, that is minus log x into. What is the rule? Integral of first function into second function. That is first function into integral of second function minus integral of integral second function into derivative of first function. That is d by dx of first function into dx. This is the rule by parts. Integral of first function into second function is first function into integral of second function minus integral of integral second function into derivative of first function. Now first function into integral of second function is x square by 2. Integral of x is x square by 2 minus integral of integral second function. Integral second function is x square by 2. Integral of x is x square by 2 into derivative of first function. First function is minus log x. Its derivative is minus 1 by x. Therefore, minus into minus plus 1 by x into dx. This is equal to minus log x into x square by 2. Here, cancel this x with this x plus 1 by 2 is constant. Keep it as it is. Integral of this x is x square divided by 2. Therefore, this is equal to minus log x into x square by 2 plus x square divided by 2 into 2 is 4. X square divided by 4 plus an integral constant, say k1. This is 8. Minus log x into x square by 2 plus x square by 4 plus k1. One of the required values, A. Next, we shall find B. B is given by integral y1 into phi of x divided by w. y1 is e power x and phi of x is e power x into log x divided by w is e power 2x. E power x into e power x is e power 2x. Cancel with this e power 2x. You just get log x. What is integral of log x? This is a standard integral. You have to memorize this. This is a standard integral. Integral of log x. Log x can be written as log x into 1, correct? Log x is log x into 1. This is first function and this is second function. First function into, that is log x into. Integral of second function is x. Integral of 1 is x. Minus integral of integral second function is x. Into derivative of first function is 1 by x dx. Therefore, this is equal to x into log x minus, cancel this x with this x, and integral of 1 is x. X log x minus x. ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೆಮೊರೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. Integral of log x is x log x minus x log x minus x plus an integral constant k2. Now last step, substitute for t. Substitute for a and b in the solution which we assumed earlier. What was that solution? This was the solution. A into e power x plus bx into e power x. Substitute here. A into e power x. This is a. This is a. A into e power x plus bx into e power x. Both a and b are substituted. Is this clear? You can unmute and respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one. Solve d square y by dx square minus 6 dy by dx plus 9y is equal to e power 3x divided by x square by the method of variation of parameters. This is the next problem. Solve the differential equation by the method of variation of parameters. D square y by dx square is a double derivative. It is denoted by capital letter D square. Minus 6 into dy by dx is d, capital letter D, plus 9 into y is equal to e power 3x divided by x square. And its auxiliary equation is m square minus 6m plus 9 equal to 0. M square minus 6m plus 9 is equal to 0. This can be written as m minus 3 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore, m minus 3 is equal to 0 implies m is equal to 3 and it is repeated 2 times. Therefore, 2 roots. Again, m is equal to 3. M is equal to 3 and m is equal to 3 are the 2 roots. Both the roots are real and coincident roots. Therefore, rule number 2 is applicable. C1 plus C2x into e power mx. Here m is 3. Therefore, e power 3x. This is the complementary solution. First working rule. Next, second one, making the assumption. This can be written as C1 into e power 3x plus C2x into e power 3x. The same solution can be written like this. Therefore, assume that y is equal to, replace C1 by a into e power 3x plus C2 by b x into e power 3x to be the complete solution. Assume that a into e power 3x plus bx into e power 3x to be the complete solution. This is same as this solution. This solution and this solution are one and the same. A into e power 3x plus bx into e power 3x. Now mark a and b. A is coefficient of y1 is coefficient of a, that is e power 3x. And y2 is coefficient of b, that is x into e power 3x. Now we shall find the Wronskian. y1 is e power 3x and its derivative y1 dash is equal to derivative of e power 3x is e power 3x and that of 3x is 3. Collectively it is 3 into e power 3x. And here, first function is x and second function is e power 3x. First function x into derivative of e power 3x is e power 3x. Derivative of 3x is 3 plus. Second function e power 3x into derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Now we have both the derivatives. We can find Wronskian. Wronskian is given by w is equal to y1 into y2 dash. This is y1, this is y2 dash. E power 3x into e power 3x. I write here. E power 3x into 3x e power 3x is 3x into e power 6x. Next, e power 3x into e power 3x is e power 6x minus x e power 3x into 3 e power 3x is 3x into e power 3x into e power, what is this? I made a mistake, right? E power 3x into 3x e power 3x is 3x into e power 6x. E power 3x into e power 3x is e power 6x minus x e power 3x into 3 e power 3x is minus 3x into e power 6x. Now cancel this positive term with this negative term. We get e power 6x. This is the Wronskian. W is equal to e power 6x. Now we have to find a and b. Here phi of x is e power 3x divided by x square. Y1 is e power 3x. Y2 is x into e power 3x. A is equal to integral minus y2 into phi of x divided by w into dx. This is equal to minus into, you keep this negative sign outside, minus into y2 is x into e power 3x. Phi of x is e power 3x divided by x square whole divided by w, and w is e power 6x. E power 3x into e power 3x is e power 6x, cancel with this e power 6x. You keep this negative sign as it is. X divided by x square is 1 by x. Therefore, this is equal to minus into integral of 1 by x is log x plus an integral constant k1 minus log x plus k1. This is a. Next, integral y1 into phi of x divided by w. This is b. B is equal to integral y1 into phi of x divided by b, where y1 is e power 3x. Phi of x is e power 3x divided by x square whole divided by w, and w is e power 6x. This e power 3x into e power 3x is e power 6x. Cancel with this e power 6x, we get 1 by x square here. And we know that the integral of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. Integral of 1 by x square means x power minus 2. Integral of x power minus 2 is x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Or this can be written as x power minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Therefore, this is minus 1 divided by x. Integral of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x plus an integral constant k2. Now substitute in the solution which we assumed earlier. A plus bx into e power x, or a into e power x plus bx into e power x. In either way, you can write that.
E power 3x.
What?
E power 3x.
E power 3x, this one, right? Okay, to make that correction, I'm sorry. This one is e power 3x. Next one, y double dash plus 2y dash plus 2y is equal to e power minus x into secant cube x by the method of variation of parameters. Solve by the method of variation of parameters. Y double dash. First I write complementary solution. Y double dash. Y double dash is double derivative d square plus 2 into y dash, that is 2 into d plus 2y. 2y is equal to RHS as it is, e power minus x into secant cube x. And its auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. Clearly, this is a quadratic equation whose roots are given by minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is equal to minus b. Here b is equal to 2. Therefore, minus b is minus 2 plus or minus square root of b square is 2 square 4 minus 4ac. 4 into a is 1 and c is 2. Therefore, 4ac is 8 divided by 2a. A is 1. Therefore, this is 2. This is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Square root of minus 4 is 2 divided by 2. If you divide both numerator and denominator by 2, the resultant will be minus 1 plus or minus 5. That's what I have written here. Minus 1 plus or minus 5. The roots are complex roots. Therefore, rule number 3 is applicable. E power 0 times real part x. Sorry, e power real part times x. Real part is minus 1. Therefore, e power minus x. Yc is equal to e power real part is minus 1. Therefore, minus x into c1 into cos imaginary part is 1. 1 into x plus c2 into sin x. This is the complementary solution. First working rule. Next, second rule, making the assumption. Assume that y is equal to e power minus x into replace c1 by capital letter A cos x plus b sin x to be the complete solution. Assume that y is equal to e power minus x into a cos x plus b sin x to be the complete solution. Now mark y1 and y2. Coefficient of a is y1. Here coefficient of a is e power minus x into cos x. That is y1. Coefficient of b is y2. E power minus x into sin x. This is y2. y1 and y2 are marked. Now y1 dash. y1 dash is equal to, this is first function, this is second function. First function e power minus x into derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus derivative of e power minus x is minus e power minus x into cos x using product. This is the derivative into y2 dash. y2 dash is first function e power minus x into derivative of sin x is cos x. And derivative of e power minus x is minus e power minus x into second function sin x as it is. That's what I have written here. Now both the derivatives are obtained, y1 dash and y2 dash. We can construct the Wronskian. Wronskian W is given by, this is W, y1 into y2 dash minus y2 into y1 dash. This is y1 and this is y2 dash. Multiply e power minus x cos x into e power minus x cos x. E power minus x into e power minus x is e power minus 2x and cos x into cos x is cos square x. E power minus x cos x into minus e power minus x sin x is minus e power minus x into e power minus x is e power minus 2x cos x into sin x minus this minus Wronskian minus into y2 into y1 dash, y2 into y1 dash. This is y2 and this is y1 dash, multiply. E power minus x into minus e power minus x is minus e power minus 2x sin square, sin x into sin x is sin square x. Further, e power minus x into minus e power minus x is minus e power minus 2x sin x into cos x. Simplify this. This negative term e power minus 2x into sin x cos x minus into minus this positive term e power minus x 2x into sin x cos x. One is in positive direction, one is in negative direction, but they are equal in magnitude. Therefore, their sum must be 0. What is the remaining part here? E power minus 2x into cos square x minus into minus plus e power minus 2x into sin square x. You take e power minus 2x as common factor. What you get within the brackets is cos square x minus into minus plus sin square x. And we know that cos square x plus sin square x is 1. 1 into e power minus 2x is e power minus 2x. This is Wronskian. To make a note of this. W is equal to e power minus 2x. Y1 is e power minus x into cos x. Y2 is e power minus x into sin x. Phi of x is e power minus x into secant cube x. First we shall find A. A is given by integral minus y2 phi of x divided by w. Substitute. Minus, keep this minus sign outside. Y2 is e power minus x sin x into phi of x is e power minus x secant cube x divided by w is e power minus 2x. Here, e power minus x into e power minus x, this term and this term. E power minus x into e power minus x is e power minus 2x, cancel with this e power minus 2x. We get sin x into secant cube x. Sin x into this sin x into secant cube x can be written as secant x into secant square x. Therefore, this is equal to sin x into secant x is 1 by cos x into secant square x. And we know that sin x by cos x is tan x into secant square x. That's what I have written here. Tan x into secant square x dx. How do you integrate that?
Substitution.
By substitution. What is a suitable substitution? Put tan x is equal to t. When tan x is equal to t, differentiate both sides. Secant square x into dx must be dt. Therefore, integral will be, you keep this negative sign outside, this negative sign. Tan x is denoted by t. Tan x is equal to t. Secant square x into dx is dt. Therefore, this is equal to minus integral of t with respect to t is t square divided by 2. This is equal to minus t square. T is tan x. Therefore, t square is tan square x divided by 2 plus an integral constant k1. This is finding A. Next B. B is integral y1 into phi of x divided by w. Y1 is e power minus x into cos x. Phi of x is e power minus x into secant cube x divided by w is e power minus 2x. E power minus x into e power minus x is e power minus 2x, cancel with this e power minus 2x. Remaining terms are cos x into secant cube x. Secant cube x can be written as secant x into secant square x. Cos and secant are reciprocal of each other, therefore their product is equal to 1. Cos x into secant x is 1, 1 into secant square x is secant square x. This is a standard integral. We know that integral of secant square x is tan x plus an integral constant k2. Now substitute a and b in the solution which we assumed earlier. E power minus x into a cos x plus b sin x. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Solve y double dash plus 2y dash plus y is equal to e power minus x into log x by the method of variation of parameters. Solve y double dash plus 2y dash plus y is equal to e power minus x into log x. This can be written as y double dash. Y double dash is second derivative, that is d square, plus 2y dash is 2d, plus 1 into y is equal to e power minus x into log x. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 2m plus 1 equal to 0. This can be written as m plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. M plus 1 is equal to 0 implies m is equal to minus 1 and it is repeated. Therefore, again m is equal to minus 1. Real and coincident roots. Therefore, rule number 2 is applicable. Therefore, what is YC? YC is C1 plus C2x into e power mx. M is minus 1 minus x. This is YC. Now make the assumption. Make the assumption. Let y is equal to replace C1 by A and C2 by B. A plus bx into e power minus x to be the complete solution. Complete solution. Or you can write it as y is equal to a into e power minus x plus bx into e power minus x. In either ways, you can write that. Now mark y1 and y2.